A natural underground lake, lit up in soft greenish-blue light. The water was glowing, possibly due to algae or minerals, and completely crystal clear. I had never seen anything like it before. The visibility was amazing. I could see all the way down to the rocks beneath the surface, except for a spot a few meters ahead, where the lake suddenly turned pitch black. The guide told me that part drops off like a cliff, going as deep as 20 meters. It looked terrifying. This was no place to play around. One wrong move, and you'd be gone, swallowed by the depths below. I stayed near the edge, swimming cautiously. The water was freezing cold, ice-like. After a few minutes of experiencing this magical place, I came out, shivering but thrilled. Totally worth the money and effort. A once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Most people visiting Sri Lanka miss this place. It's not well known. But trust me, if you skip this, you're missing out on one of the most amazing experiences of your life. At first, I thought this would be a basic cave exploration. But now I was standing at the mouth of a dark hole, in the middle of a forest, led by someone I met 20 minutes ago. And he wanted me to go in. He handed me a helmet with a light on it. I was nervous, but I had come all this way and already paid, so I decided to go for it. He went first, climbing down using a wooden ladder tied together with branches. When he lit the way from below, I could see the chamber wasn't too deep, about the height of 2 or 3 people. So I followed. That's when I noticed. This is just the beginning. We had to descend even further. Now it was getting tight, a vertical tunnel barely wide enough for a person to squeeze through. Not suitable for anyone overweight or uncomfortable with narrow spaces. Crawling through, I scraped myself against the rocks, squeezing into what felt like a stone pipe. Everything was damp and slippery, a mix of soil, rock, and moisture. If you're claustrophobic, this is definitely not for you. Once I got through that tight spot, I realized we were completely underground. No light, no reference point, just darkness. At least 10 to 20 feet beneath the surface now, I could only see with the helmet torch. The guide walked ahead with his flashlight, and he had one battery-powered lamp, which he was saving for the main attraction. We moved forward, crawling over boulders and squeezing through narrow paths. The place smelled of damp earth, and the sound of bats echoing inside made it even more eerie. I was struggling,